Gimana hubungan kamu dengan Vicky Naki?
No, I cannot say like.
Oke. Gimana?
People have like variety different vision of life, and that's normal. And I have to accept this. I have to maybe listen them a little bit because maybe they are right, and maybe I can see myself like behind. You know, I can see myself. So that's why. Demi nama cinta telah ku persembahkan hatiku hanya untukmu, telah ku jaga kejujuran dalam setiap nafasku.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi dengan saya Aditya Gumai di channelnya saya. Dan kali ini saya kedatangan tamu yang luar biasa istimewa. Jauh-jauh datang dari Kazakhstan, sempat viral ya. Dan sekarang hadir. Apa sih yang dikerjakan oleh seorang Dayana? Hai.
Hai.
Ya. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Oh, segitu.
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
Biasa.
Iya, sudah mulai belajar sedikit bahasa Indonesia ya. Oke. Nah, saya di sebelahnya Dayana nih ada Mas Arya. Oke.
Translator.
Ya, translator dan sebenarnya manajemen yang akan mengurusi berbagai kegiatan Dayana di Indonesia ya kan. Nah, kita juga pengen tahu nih sekarang kedatangan Dayana ke Indonesia nih dalam rangka apa nih?
For see all the nature, for see all the cities, my fans also, and for supporting IKN and PKN.
Yeah.
To see Jakarta in real life, I was really like in shock. Very very beautiful.
Is it the first time you come here?
Yeah, this is the first time, and not the last time.
Okay.
Not the last time.
IKN di Kalimantan dan kemudian ambasadornya dari Kazakhstan itu mewakili juga perusahaan ya. Kazakhstan itu menjadi sister city dari IKN ya, ibu kota Indonesia yang baru nanti di Kalimantan ya. Jadi kedatangannya Dayana juga untuk bisa melihat sister city-nya tuh di IKN. Sudah ke sana?
1st of September.
Oh.
Yeah. 1st of September.
Jadi
itu Kalimantan.
Oh ya. Yeah.
Ya, September ya. Jadi di Indonesia beberapa hari ini udah kemana aja?
And I was in Bali.
Okay.
But I like Jakarta.
You like Jakarta?
Yes.
You told me before.
Yes, I like megapolis more.
Yeah.
Cities. And actually, the climate is not suits me in Kendari in Bali also. But all the problem from the climate. But all was good. Like I like Kendari and Bali. Both, but I like Jakarta because there is no wet weather. You know, wet weather.
What the difference Kazakhstan, Astana with Jakarta?
But the difference between Astana, we don't have the pollution.
Yeah,
and we are not that big city. It's might be better say what the difference between Almaty and Jakarta. It's very similar, I guess, because we also have air pollution. We also have too much like population. And we also moved from Almaty to Astana. It's like moved from Jakarta to Nusantara.
So Dayana ke Indonesia juga akan mencoba memulai karir di dunia entertainment, bernyanyi, dan saya juga surprise ternyata Dayana punya suara yang bagus dan mungkin akan juga mencoba dunia seni peran gitu ya. Kita tanya, apakah dia tertarik untuk bekerja di dunia entertainment?
I have interest in life for the first, and I want to try all. But of course, it have to be like smartest way because to learn Indonesian and to be a singer in Indonesia. Also, but Indonesian language is also a little bit difficult for me. But I'll try to learn, and yes, I'm interested. It will be cool.
But you can sing Indonesian language atas nama cinta? A little bit?
Cinta tak bersyarat.
Okay, just try to sing.
Just sing
to your audience.
They sound much more. Demi nama cinta telah ku persembahkan hatiku hanya untukmu. Telah ku jaga kejujuran dalam setiap nafasku.
Wow.
Karena demi cinta. And I forgot.
Oke, wow, udah kedengeran kan? Tinggal dipoles lagi, diasah, akan jadi satu penampilan yang menarik pasti dari Diana. Dan saya bersama Mas Arya mencoba untuk menawarkan beberapa lagu dalam bahasa Indonesia dan Inggris. Nanti kita lihat ya, kira-kira Diana akan menyanyikan lagu apa. Oke, Diana sudah coba menjadi artis di Kazakhstan.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and that was successful one.
Oke.
That was successful. Yes, and what I can say? Yes, I tried.
Iya, iya. Tapi sebenarnya latar belakang pendidikan Diana apa?
Oh, I study at law enforcement, like being a lawyer, half of police.
Oh, okay. You already done with your
No,
school?
I'm not done. I'm not done yet. I have to study 1 year again. Like not again. Like 1 year
Oke.
left.
Oke. Diana, kamu sudah sempat viral di Indonesia, ya. Bagaimana cara kamu menghadapi para fans atau mungkin ada haters yang mungkin kamu hadapi di netizen Indonesia?
Okay, for the first, that was my mistake to trying to fight with them. It's a bad way to fight with those who don't like you. If someone don't likes you, it doesn't mean that you have to say something like for being loved by someone who doesn't want to understand you.
Okay.
So for the first, I tried to fight, and then when I get like a little bit detox from Instagram, I deleted my Instagram into like many times for a while, and then I changed my mind. For the first, changed my vision to all of this, and accept that people have like variety different vision of life, and that's normal, and I have to accept this. I have to maybe listen them a little bit, because maybe they are right, and maybe I can see myself like behind. I can see myself. So that's why I think that's the main thing that I understand, that my personality doesn't not depends from a people. My personality only knows God and me, and I have a secrets between God and me, and people just see the beauty, the energy, and I understand completely that in that time I was without any energy.
Yeah,
because all that matters, it's our aura. Aura,
I know
energy,
aura.
And all this stuff. And I understand that I haven't be beauty like and doing like a lot of plastic surgery or something. I have to be beauty inside, and be with the light aura, light energy, and that matters. And then I start to work on it and then handle it all. Of course, it was very, very traumatizing for 18 years old me.
Yeah, you more wisely now.
Yes, I understood more.
Iya. Then apa yang kamu akan kerjakan ke depan nih setelah ini?
Don't read
You
the
wanna work
comments.
with your like a lawyer maybe?
Or you focus on your career?
Don't know yet.
Not yet.
I guess I will just do what I can. If I have some opportunities, I will just make with these opportunities, work with these opportunities. If I will being different in every career, being a police in the same time you will be viral in Indonesia. It's interesting being police in Kazakhstan and being some
artist
singer.
maybe.
Yes, and you have Hannah Montana. You're like Hannah Montana. I live too. So yeah, that's interesting. I will make all if I will handle it.
Ya, kau pernah berpikir gak sih mau pergi ke luar negeri untuk bisa mencoba menjadi artis, maybe ke Amerika mungkin, ke Eropa, karena menurut saya kamu punya potensial untuk itu.
Of course, I thought about it, but I didn't have any opportunities to go to abroad.
Mhm.
So it's all just in my mind. Maybe I had like low self-esteem or something because I always thought that in every world we have too much people who are more talented than me, more like ready to popularity than me.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think about Kazakhstan people and Indonesian people? What the difference?
You're so positive. No, I mean, of course, there's a lot of differences between our mentality. We are like, in a good way, we are more serious, you know, and we are more like overthinking all the words that you say, like overthinking too much, serious too much.
Okay.
Be like ready for something bad. It's our negativity from the Soviet Union, you know, like from the communism or something. Yeah. I think that's the difference. Even I come to Indonesia, there was a lot of positive people who never mind just saying what they think, and then you're like, are you serious or not? Or maybe I have to overthink again, or maybe you didn't mean it, or something like that. So yeah, we had a lot of differences, and another difference, I don't know, can I say that or not? We don't smile at face to people. We say like, if we think that you are bad people, that you are, if we don't like you, we say like that, I don't like you.
Yeah.
And we never say like behind the back or something like that. But I heard, it never happens to me. But I heard that there is a lot.
People.
Yes, it's always make like a smile to your face, but say something behind your back. But I don't know, it's true or not. I just heard it.
Yeah. You can learn more about Indonesian people. Yeah.
No, I just if it happens to me, I will accept that. You know, one that I didn't say. I was just thinking during the conversation that if it will be like advices to you also. I said it too many times. How people react to you, it's their karma. How you react to their reaction to you, it's your karma. So be calm, don't pay attention, and be happy.
Oh, it's good. Okay. Nah, sekarang pasti pertanyaan yang pingin banget jawabannya didengar langsung dari Dayana nih. Gimana hubungan kamu dengan Vicky Naki?
No, I cannot say like.
Okay. Gimana?
Okay, for the first, I'm really, really grateful to him.
Yes.
Really grateful. But now I see, like, he's a good person. We are in a good conversations also. But I want to start something mine. I really like that he's with Tukba right now, all this stuff. But I want to create my future.
Yes.
Like, I have my own life, and I want to create something really mine, not depends from other people. But of course, I'm really, really grateful to him that he made me famous also. And we like help each other to make ourselves famous. So it's the past that I appreciate, but I have the future that I have to create.
It's good.
So yeah, thank you for the question.
You still communication with Vicky?
No, like since I come to Indonesia, we just see each other's stories, and he doesn't upload anything. I don't know why, and we just saw each other on stories, but didn't communicate it.
You still follow each other?
Of course. We appreciate each other, I think.
Yeah. Kalau ada yang menawarkan ya, kamu bekerja sama dengan Vicky dalam sebuah film sinetron, kamu is okay, nggak ada masalah?
Can I say that's my psychotrauma?
Okay, so yeah.
So you remember that I was 18 years old.
Yes.
Not emotional stable yet.
Yes.
Don't have anyone and anything around me. Was hated by 3 million people. It's too hard to accept.
Yeah.
And now I was very, very, very traumatizing by this experience. And now I had a little bit like I'm a little bit scared to make some like if he wants to collaborate, maybe we'll talk to my manager.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm not that, but I'm afraid. I have a really secret trauma to this.
Oh ya, oke. Mas Arya selaku manajer nih gitu ya. Mas Arya sudah tahu belum sebelumnya Diana ini sudah populer ya, viral di Indonesia. Waktu sebelum kita akhirnya sama-sama bekerja sama pergi ke Kazakhstan untuk membuat short movie di sana, terus bertemu dengan Diana dan Diana juga aktif di KBRI ya untuk belajar bahasa Indonesia di sana ya. Nah itu apa yang menjadi alasan utama Mas Arya?
First thing first, Indonesia aja ya gitu ya.
Iya.
Jadi kita ke sana itu kan dalam rangka bisnis trip. Company kita lihat beberapa investor, kita datang ke Mini Expo dengan undangan dari Kedubes. Di sana tujuannya sebenarnya untuk mencari bisnis partner.
Oke.
Tapi in some way sepertinya God's plan kalau based on Diana's. God's plan. So jadi saya ketemu Diana, tapi kan sedikit agak berbeda ya looksnya ya.
Tapi sebelumnya udah tahu Diana itu udah viral.
Udah viral tahu.
Oke.
Cuma looksnya sedikit berbeda. Itu yang mention itu sekretaris Dubes Pak Andi. Itu ada Diana. Oh Diana yang waktu itu ini ya viral gitu kan. Kita samperin, kita ngobrol lah, have a chat. Terus kita punya plan nih untuk kayaknya bagus juga kita invite Diana karena kan Astana itu kan salah satu sister city-nya kan.
Iya, sister city dari IKN. Iya.
Dan kita udah ada MOU antar pemerintah dan somehow itu good opportunity juga for us untuk collaborate with the citizen. Diana juga kan dikenal juga ya dengan pro kontranya lah ya. Nah, kita untuk sebenarnya sebagai ambasador kita untuk apa? Untuk tentang terkait environmental, terus juga green energy, dan juga tentang green living, sustainability living. Nah itu that's the point. Tapi along the way, pas kita pertama kali ketemu, kedua kali ketemu, kita ketemu di kafe. Kafe dengan kita dapat nomornya, singkat cerita kita kasih offer untuk menjadi orang ambassador. Misalnya kita ketemu dengan investor dari Rusia karena kita speak Rusia juga. Jadi kita bisa menjadi satu person yang membridging ya, menjembatani antara bisnis yang dilakukan kita dengan investor-investor luar. Awal mulai seperti itu. Tapi along the way, ketika invite tuh untuk datang ke Indonesia, untuk apa? Untuk ayo kita experience karena dia juga kan pengen ke Indonesia dari dulu ya. Nah dengan beberapa conversation yang kita punya, akhirnya kita agree dan juga deal untuk kita ke Indonesia untuk bareng-bareng yuk kita ngomongin tentang Nusantara, environmental. Dan kebetulan kan salah satu partai politik ya itu yang PKN itu juga kan support untuk environmental. Makanya pertama kali dia datang ke event itu. Karena bukan support as a pastor politik, tapi support sebagai vision untuk Nusantara dan green living. Nah ternyata dia ini punya banyak potensi, gitu kan. Acting, modeling, entertainer lah, nyanyi juga bagus, bahasa Inggrisnya juga friendly gitu kan. Karena nggak semua orang Kazakhstan terus bisa bahasa Inggris. Dan dia orangnya cheers gitu loh. Jadi orangnya easy going dan friendly. Jadi kita berpikir bahwa kalau kita create this potential to this country gitu kan, kolaborasi in good way, itu kayak juga gitu kan. Akhirnya kita coba kemarin sepakati, ya udah kita coba deh kita approach beberapa masuk Bang Adit gitu kan. Dan kita kan sempat juga ya kita ke Jakarta bareng.
Betul.
Nah, artinya di situ again God's plan tanpa kita ada plan sebelumnya, tapi kayak berjalan dengan ini aja edit flow gitu loh. Tanpa ada rencana yang dibikin sebelumnya, tapi kita ngeliat kok kayaknya kok cocok, jadi sampai sekarang sampai kita ada di podcast ini sih. Gitu.
Yes. Sekarang balik ke Diana ya. Diana di Kazakhstannya sendiri punya teman dekat nggak?
Best friend Kazakhstan?
Of course, a lot of.
Best friend.
No, I'm just joking. I have a best friends, but not a lot of.
And boyfriend?
What?
And boyfriend too?
No.
Not yet.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Kamu kan cantik, pasti banyak yang suka lah. Because you're beautiful.
In Indonesia only. No, I have my priorities. Let it be like that for the first, and I have to think how do I create my relationship. I have ideal type. how I want to create my relationship. And I don't like when guys start to be like flirting with me or something like that. Why?
Buaya.
Yes.
Buaya.
Because it's like not going from the heart, you know. And I don't like when guys start to flirt with me. But it's in Kazakhstan, it's very often. In Indonesia also, it's very often when guys start to flirting with me. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
I'm not ready to any relationship because I have my standards.
Oh, okay. What's your standard?
Difficult question. Thank you. Next. So what's my standards? For the first, I don't like when people flirt with me. So it's my future boyfriend have to be like a little bit colder, older,
okay.
older, because maybe older, but not that much. Like yes. Next question.
Okay, next question. Okay. Bagaimana dunia entertain di Kazakhstan ya? How about the movies? Anything?
In Kazakhstan,
yes.
I don't watch too much like Kazakhstan movies. I like comedian ones where we see in the cinema by our culture only. You know, we don't make a cinema for all. We make a cinema for Kazakhs only with our cultural jokes, with some of like that culture stuff that understand only people who lives in Kazakhstan. So that's the difference we make only for locals and not like worldwide something or something.
Okay. Kita balik sekarang dikit ya. Diana udah coba makanan Indonesia?
Of course. I live 3 weeks here.
Oh, ya. Kamu suka makanan apa?
I get poisoned by nasi goreng.
Okay.
You can translate it. I get poisoned by nasi goreng. Since that time, I get an injection. I get an injection. It was
suntik mana bang? Ke rumah sakit.
Karena?
GERD-nya ini.
Oh, GERD. You have a GERD?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, thank you, nasi goreng. I didn't expect that from you. Will remember it full of my life.
Sate?
So,
You've been through satay.
So, was the satay?
Satay is like meat. The one that you didn't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Tapi itu mirip-mirip sama makanan Kazakhstan
loh.
Ya, mirip. Soto, dia suka soto ayam.
Soto, okay.
Soto, I like nasi goreng, but I don't know why, but in Embasi it was more tasty than in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kazakhstan more tasty?
In Embasi.
Embassy. Oh, okay.
It was more tasty than in Indonesia. And I was like curious. I came from dadar gulung. Where's my dadar gulung? Where's the normal taste dadar gulung full of sugar?
Okay.
So what I like, I don't like coconut. I haven't
you don't like coconut?
That much what I don't like, but it was difficult to me with food here.
Yeah, you have.
Only like soto.
You have to try durian.
Durian, yeah.
You like durian?
But I want to try. But I like Silver Queen. Yeah. That's my love for full of my life.
Okay, coba Silver Queen, mari jadikan dia
Can I be
bintang
your
iklan.
ambassador? I need any payment. I don't need any payment. Only give me chocolate. No, I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Kita udah beli 10 bang.
Wow, oke.
And then,
Diana, kamu kalau ada kesempatan tinggal di Indonesia, bekerja di Indonesia, kamu siapkah?
Siap-siap.
If there's
Siap-siap. Dia bisa bilang siap-siap aja ya.
time, siap.
Siap. Be honest.
Yes.
I have a chance.
Yeah.
I have a chance to leave that. All that problem is my study because I cannot leave from the Kasgyu that easily. And the second is I will miss my mom.
Oh, you can take your mom here.
Mama, hi.
Berapa keluarga sih? Berapa saudara kamu?
I have 3 little brothers and 1 sister. One sister, we are the same age. Like she's a little bit little than me, smaller than me.
Anak pertama?
Yes, I'm the first child.
Oke, ada yang mau kamu sampaikan buat netizen Indonesia, buat your friends?
To be honest, guys, I don't know what to say exactly. Just be happy. and I hope you will see me strong enough, wiser, and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. And I hope if I say something wrong here in the interview, please forgive me. Maybe I didn't mention it, maybe I didn't mean it. But thank you anyway for watching this video. Follow him, and yeah, and be ready for something new.
Oke, wow, luar biasa ya. Jadi Dayana tadi sudah bercerita perkembangan mentalnya dari sebelumnya yang begitu cepat terpancing emosi, ya sekarang udah jauh lebih dewasa, lebih bijaksana, dan dia siap untuk memulai sesuatu yang baru di Indonesia. Dan kita lihat karyanya nanti apa. Yang penting kita, masyarakat Indonesia tentu juga adalah masyarakat yang pemaaf pastinya, dan kita akan menerima Dayana, apalagi sekarang juga antara Astana, ya ibu kotanya Kazakhstan, dengan ibu kota kita yang baru, ya IKN, itu adalah sister city. Dan harusnya kita semua menjadi sister juga bagi warga dari Kazakhstan, khususnya Dayana. Oke? Ya, tetap berpikir positif, gembira, ceria, sehat.
Spread love, spread positive.
Amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera.
We did a good job.
Good job. Okay.
I love you.
Yeah.